I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And what about you? How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. So today is Children's Day, so my son had a school trip. I have to woke up early because he had to go early. And so, when we start our day early, we manage a lot of things. We can do some extra task. So my day is
Yes.
productive today. What about
Okay,
you?
nice, nice.
How was your morning?
My morning was, I think, is the same. So
Okay.
yes, my morning was like actually productive. I must say that because whatever I have to do in a day, like in the morning, I did. And yes, I'm enjoying.
That's nice. Good to know. So let's start with introduction because I don't know much about you.
Okay, okay. Sure. My name is Swati.
Introduction. Thank you so much. My name is Kusum. I hail from Haryana. I hold a master's degree in business administration along with the diploma in software. Currently, I'm a homemaker and mother of two wonderful kids. I'm a travel enthusiast. Apart from it, I'm just working on my communication skill. That's pretty much about me.
So how is your like spoken journey of English language going on right now?
Mm, It's going incredibly well because there was a time in my life I was so hesitant to speak in English, but now I can see. Earlier, I had a fever. I had a fear for English. What to if someone asked me a question in English, how will I answer it, respond it? But now I can change. This language has made me confident, and now I'm just looking for opportunities like when I'll get the opportunity to speak in English, and English is something that ignites my spirit always and keeps my spark alive. Because I remember when I embarked on my English journey, I used to burn the midnight oil, what I need to consume and how can I speak fluently. But these days I'm not chasing perfection, I'm just enjoying this process. So what about you?
Yes, yes,
What difference do you
yes.
feel before and after learning
Okay,
English?
okay. If I talk about my spoken journey, I have started 7, 8 months ago with my own YouTube channel, and
Mhm.
before that, but yes, I was very, I was very good at this language, like in writing or reading. Maybe I was good at listening. I understand everything, but not able to speak. And I have this, fear in my mind. Maybe if I speak, maybe I can make mistake or could mistake, or maybe people can laugh at me, or this kind of, fear of judgment always was in my mind. But when I like took a step to speak then I felt that yes, I'm able to speak, but I need some practice. So yes, while practicing that, hesitation and fear of judgment gradually fade away, and yes, I am improving. Actually, I'm also making mistake while speaking, but yes, I'm improving, and today I'm a bit confident if I compare myself, old one. So yes, I'm improving, and I feel I can express myself, I can articulate my thought in a good manners, but sometime I'm not able to, describe some situation in English
Mhm.
nowadays. But yes, whatever I'm trying to, you know, we are good at this language and trying to improve day by day while listening, while reading. So yes, this is my journey, and yes.
We just need to be consistent and determined. But yeah, what we want to achieve. Yeah.
Yes, I want to ask you that when did you start your spoken English?
I embarked on my English journey about a year and 9 months ago. I'm going to complete two in the month of March.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So, did you start with your YouTube, or you just started with, some conversation in random in real life? How did you start?
During initial time, I had few classes on English platform where I got my valuable feedback. So I'm
Hmm.
working on it because when I started, I didn't know what I need to do. Right? Like I need
Hmm.
to more focus on listening, reading, writing. I was completely novice in that field. That's why I attended few classes. And apart
Hmm.
from it, I had practiced on peer up application. It is completely free of cost, and learners are very respectful over there because most of them are IT professionals. So they just
Hmm.
want to improve their fluency. So still I am using audio calls whenever I am unable to connect on video call because of personal commitments. Because
Mhm.
audio calls makes us comfortable, right? Because we don't
Right.
bother, yeah, how we look and who the other person is.
Yes. Yes.
So I always tell
Hmm.
the beginners, try to speak on audio calls. That is the best thing I would say. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all
Nice.
about
Nice.
my English journey. So have you practiced on audio calls?
Yes, when I started, my English journey, I started with, some audio call like on CVR. But no idea, I'm not getting these calls or not doing. But maybe once in a week I do because I am more focused on listening nowadays and video call.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from this, I also do some ChatGPT call. I
Hmm.
can, have conversation with ChatGPT. So these are the practices right now I'm doing. So
Hmm.
yes, when we start our journey, we didn't have, like have a practical knowledge how to learn easily this language because we actually have some knowledge of English, little bit grammar we know. But while listening, watching content, and yes, with time you can learn and you can easily express yourself. So, what is your take on, or what do you actually do in a day, like listening, watching, or reading also? No idea.
My
Which
practice.
type of practice
Yeah,
you are
my
doing?
practices mainly revolves around listening and speaking, but I'm not stick to any particular content. Like whatever pops up on my feed and catches my attention, I just watch that. These days, I have been watching Dr. Pal's videos. It's quite fascinating and insightful. So I'm learning
Okay.
from his videos.
So, what type of content he is like uploading? I didn't know about that person. I don't
Okay,
know about that person.
like
Hmm.
somewhere it is related
Regarding,
to parenting, basically.
oh, parent. Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
related to homemakers. So, every
Hmm.
yeah, different contents. I cannot say there is particular one content, but it is the way
Hmm.
he speaks. It's really nice. Like he always
Hmm.
like follows a practical approach, and it is
Hmm.
podcast. I would say it is podcast.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
So it's quite
Hmm.
amazing. And apart from it, I have been watching conversational videos with tutors. They are
Hmm.
so which helps me in enriching my vocabularies and strengthen my sentence structure because tutor always gives a good sentence structure, right? And vocabularies, they correct the mistakes, so that is also a great way of learning.
Okay,
So
nice.
what about
And
you?
I want to ask,
Mhm.
okay, like in what manner?
Do you
What
watch
do you like?
conversational videos?
Yes, I love to watch, and I regularly watch, Sunita English Adventures video whenever she upload. I
uh,
really love her content. So
uh,
nowadays I am following her and so many other channel also
mhm.
because do not have
What's her
mm,
full name?
Himachali Neha. She is also working collaboration with Sunita English Adventure.
Okay, Neha ma'am. Okay, okay, Himachali Neha Rana, right?
Yes,
Okay,
Rana.
got it now.
I'm forgetting.
Yeah, you told me this.
Rana. So that's why you.
Okay, so you as
Okay.
you mentioned you are from Jammu and Kashmir. So particular which
Yes,
region?
yes.
Jammu or Kashmir?
I am from Jammu actually. Jammu.
Okay. So have you ever
Yes,
been
yes.
to Kashmir? It is very close to your place.
Yes, yes. I have been there for once in my life. I think I and yes, I went there and enjoyed my time. But actually, I explored my Jammu area nearby, more nearby my area. Like there are so many places nearby my home.
Mhm.
So I actually enjoy my time with my family there. Like there is a Mansar Lake. You can spend your time doing boating there also. There is a facility and you maybe heard about this, a popular temple like is Vaishno
Vaishno
Devi
Devi.
Shrine
Yes,
Temple.
yes. I had been
Yes,
there.
Raghunath. Yes, and Raghunath Temple here, Bhagya Bahu, and there is also a hill station, Patni Top.
Mhm.
So actually, it's also very near to my home, and we actually go there usually. And Kashmir is very far from my home. Actually, it takes like 8-9 hours from my home.
Okay. Yeah,
Um,
Kashmir
so
has
yes.
always been on my bucket list. I really wanted to
Okay.
explore once in my lifetime. So let's see when
Hmm.
would it happen. And I have always been fascinated by lots of adventures over there, right? Skiing
Yes,
and
yes. And
snowboarding,
it's very beautiful. Yes.
gondola
It's
ride.
really very beautiful. Dal Lake, you can do there, houseboating, shikara, and a floating market is there. And Sonamag, Gulmarg,
Gulmarg.
Pahalgam, and Gulmarg, you can do gondola right there. There's
Yeah.
so many things that you can enjoy
So you
in
must have
Kashmir.
explored all the places on the earth, Kashmir, and I really wanted to visit it. But I had some fear related to terrorism and some uncertain conditions. Yeah, what would if
Yes,
what would be there? Yeah, anything can be happen. But
I
let's.
think people have a very limited view about Jammu and Kashmir,
Hmm.
and it's not a full picture, I must say.
Mhm.
People are here very heartwarming, very friendly also, and every time these type of incident not happen here, but sometime in some area
Mhm.
it happened. That create a very a fear in the mind of people. So that's why they always scared to visit our state.
Hmm.
But yes, nowadays everywhere is peace and secure area, and yes, everything is going like smoothly nowadays. So
Mhm.
you can visit nowadays, I think. And Kashmir, I must say that Srinagar is very secure and peaceful. You can visit Dal Lake. You
Hmm.
maybe hardly like heard about the any incident that took place nearby Dal Lake. So I think that place is nearby market, and security always all the times there. So you must visit that place. So yes, don't need to worry about so much about these incident, because our state always news highlight this place with only militancy conflict, but the whole picture is very different, because I am someone who belong to Jammu and Kashmir. So yes.
Safety, and every 2 or 3 years I get to know, yeah, something is happening there. So that's why I have a fear, but I have heard a lot of hype around its beauty. It has snow-capped mountains, lush valleys, and crystal clear
Well,
lake.
river, lakes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So it's
I
really
think it's
a
very
scenic
beautiful.
view, yeah, and
People come
breathtaking.
here, enjoy. Yes, people come here, despite so many news highlight
Mhm.
about Jammu and Kashmir, but people are coming, tourists are coming and visit Jammu and Kashmir and enjoy their time. Yes, tourism is also increasing. Development work is going on, and yes, government is also working and local community also working together to establish peace, and so that many people attract towards our state. So
Yes,
yes,
yes. Uh, so okay, you have only one child.
yes, I have one child. He's
How,
in
what
third standard right now.
Sorry?
Third standard.
First
He is
standard.
right now third.
Okay, so does he speak in English with you?
No, actually, he doesn't like to speak with me in English sometime. Because I recently started to speak in English, and he's right now 9 years old. So
Mhm.
I think from past 9 years, I was speaking with him in Hindi. So that's why he's not very comfortable with me in English.
Okay.
But he know how to talk in English. He knows.
So Hindi is your
Yes.
native language.
Dogri. Our native language is Dogri. Dogri.
Dogri. Okay, is it similar to Hindi?
Dogri. It's similar to Punjabi.
Punjabi. Okay, if I want to say how
Hmm.
are you, how will I say?
Acha.
Non-Punjabi.
Uh, because Dogri very similar to Punjabi, and Punjab is very near to my state. And
Okay.
my Bua got married there.
Mhm.
So some of my relatives from Punjab also.
Mhm.
So that's why I know. And we also love to watch Punjabi movie. So
Mhm.
that's why. Hmm. So you are from Haryana, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You also understand Punjabi? Maybe you
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, I understand Punjabi, but
Hmm.
I don't know how to speak. Basics I know because my friend circle is Punjabi. So sometimes,
Hmm.
but they always converse with me in English, in Hindi only.
Okay, okay.